Let's see concept number 14, where the HDFS architecture does not work for the big data analytics. Now, there are few limitations that are associated with HDFS. The first one, it says it is a low latency data access. Now, what do you mean by low latency? It is when the data is transferred between the servers and the client, their speed is so fast that there should not be a delay. That is, the delay should be very less. So HDFS is optimized for delivering a high throughput of data, and this may be at the expense of latency. That is, if there is a delay of data between the client and the server or between the processing, then there will be a loss of data. So HDFS will not be optimized or the use will not be to the fullest. Now, the second limitation is if there are lots of small files, then HDFS will not work. File system metadata is stored in memory. Hence, the limit to the number of files in the file system is governed by the amount of memory on the name node. So, whenever there is a large amount of files, HDFS works with the full efficiency. Whereas, if it is small files, then HDFS will not be able to reproduce or give the perfect output. A rule of thumb, each file directly and block takes about 150 bytes. Multiple updates in the file. Files in HDFS may be written to by a single writer at the end of the file. There is no support for multiple writers or for modifications at arbitrary offsets in the file. That is, HDFS supports write once and read many. Updates are not possible for the HDFS file system. So, any system which uses a multiple updates or the frequent updates will not be able to use HDFS as it has single write and many read operations. So, these are the few limitations of HDFS file system. Thank you.